So I wanted to get on here really quickly and give y'all a tip in how you guys can find a free vendor to buy your inventory for your boutique. So if you go in your closet, now I went and got 2 or 3 items out of mine. If you go in your closet and you look at the tag, it should be a name back there. This one says discreet. This one says touch me. And this one here says entry. So if you go and Google these names on the back of your clothes, you'll see that they're attached to a marketplace, or they have their own website. So you can type in the name and then type wholesaler or clothing, because there may be more than, there's a lot of different things with these type of names. So be specific when you Google their name and put wholesale or clothing. And they should have a website where you can sign up and start buying inventory for them. So I know that there are a lot of people that sell vendor lists, or some give them for free. But if you haven't got access to them, or you don't have the funds to actually buy a vendor's list, that is a quick and easy way to be able to get your inventory. Another tip, I was just going to give one, but I'll give another one. Another tip is, I know I get a lot of people struggle with the fact that they don't have a lot of money to buy clothing from the vendors. So this is a secret, but I'm telling y'all. But another way you can jumpstart your inventory is actually going to the retail stores that you like, that sell the things that you would like to have in your boutique, and buy like that. So think about it. People that sell on eBay, that sell on that sell things probably locally or anything like, or thrifting and all of that, they go to the store and buy these items and resell them. That's the same thing as going to any store. I don't want to call out any store, but any store, and hitting up their sales rack. Let's say you only got $30 and you go hit up their sales rack. Like, sometimes I think I bought this on the sales rack last year when it was getting cold, and it was $4, because this is like a summer type situation. So if I wanted to sell this for my summer inventory of the upcoming summer, I could have grabbed like everything they had on their rack, and nobody's gonna be like, why are you buying so many? I could have bought all they had in like a small, medium, large, or what have you, and added it to my inventory, and I wouldn't have had to spend that much money. So sometimes you need to think outside of the box of what you can do, and not so much feel like there's only one way to do something, because not everybody has $150 to spend on the same item. A lot of vendors, when you buy something, you're buying the same item, and they're giving you 6 of them, or it'll come in a pack of 3, but mostly it comes in a pack of 6. And sometimes they require for you to spend a certain amount of money for you to even get that one item in the same color, and you got to spend $100. So when you're just starting out, you have to kind of think about other things that you could do to get inventory, and that is one way you could do it. Is just go to a store that kind of sells the same kind of clothes that you would like to sell on your online boutique, and look at their sales rags. Whatever season that we're in, like right now, there's probably a lot of summer stuff that's on sale. Maybe you can gear up and get ready for spring and summer by purchasing from those items from the stores. If you don't have that much money, if your budget isn't a large budget. Now, if you have a large budget and you're able to spend $500-$600 on a vendor, then fine, do what works for you. But I'm speaking to the ones that don't have a large budget and just want to start, and you have to start somewhere. But when you get to a point where you have a large customer base, then you'll move on to buying large items from the vendors. But if you're just starting out, that is a good little tip to be able to get some inventory for your online boutique. So I hope these quick little tips help you guys. I wanted to share that with you guys. I do have a bonus vendor that I do want to tell you guys about. I am not going in the avenue of makeup. So when I came across this information, I want to just pass it on to you guys, because I'm not going to I'm not likely going to use it. But this vendor is a makeup cosmetic vendor, and more so of private label, where if you wanted to have your own makeup brush line or your own lipstick line, you can literally use them. They will send you the product with your name and logo on it. Eyeshadow palettes, skincare items, all of those. It's a private labeling. So if you were ever interested in starting a makeup line of any sort, this company is the place to go. This is the place you need to use. I'm so excited to tell you guys that, because I know if I was into makeup like that, I would definitely be like jumping on it. So anyway, like I said, this vendor is a private labeling, which means you can get whatever you want and have your name and logo put on there. So you guys go ahead and hit the link in the description box. Head on over there so you can check out their website and go ahead and start and request a sample. They do give out samples. They don't have a minimum requirement that you have to have like a certain amount of items you need to buy. You just buy what you need. So I thought that was pretty cool too. So anyway, I hope the tips help you, and I hope you guys use this makeup vendor to go ahead and get your makeup business started. Again, that link to that makeup vendor is in the description box. All right, so yeah, that's it, y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.